Now, welcome back. So, how to meet NA? There will be NA in your observation. You understand? So, how to meet it? Once we pass the filter here, you understand? So, you come back here again. You filter it. You see, this filter not complete cases. You understand? So, let's run it and let's see. So, we tell the art studio here to print out the word that are not complete cases here only. So from there, you will now see that what are the not complete cases here? Height. Do we need it? There are some cases that maybe this omit is not that it's really omit. Maybe it's because of when they are putting on the data on the table. That's why they miss something. But this height, on this what you are doing, if you don't have height, it's almost impossible not for you not to have height. So if you don't have height, we can use you. So this NA, we cannot amend it or do anything with it. We just have to let it go like that. So you now come back here. Since we have already know the variable in our omit, we will now come back here. You just remove this command, then you run it to print out or to filter out all the incomplete cases. Do you understand? So it will filter all the incomplete cases here. You understand? Filter, you understand? Incomplete, complete into bracket, complete cases. You must put this dot. This dot means you should check all the filter all the. This dot is the one that let him know that we have to filter all the value in the observation for us. So then let's run it. You see, this is clean data. Nothing more, nothing less. You already set your data for use now. So in this case, you can now visualize or do any analysis you want to do with it. You understand? So in the next class, we will talk about how to replace data in R, how to recode, not replace, how to recode. Like if you want to change the brown to one, black to two, for those of you that normally do logistic regression analysis. So in case they are giving you multiple data, so how to change it once and for all. Thank you. God bless. Please try to like and subscribe. That's the only way you can help me.